JavaScript used to be trapped inside the browser. But today, if you want to build scalable backends, power full-stack web applications, or work with modern frameworks, you absolutely need Node.js. Let's walk through the complete step-by-step workflow to get Node installed, configured, and running perfectly on your machine in just a few minutes. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and search for Node.js. Click on that very first result to head over to the official Node.js homepage. From there, jump straight to the download page. This is where we customize our build. You'll see a lot of options here, different operating systems, source code, and even Docker images. A quick pro tip, you almost always want to select the LTS, or long-term support version. It guarantees maximum stability and saves you from dealing with unexpected bugs in your future projects. Scroll down through the environments and select the pre-built Node.js binary for Windows x64. Hit the download button for the Windows installer. It's a pretty lightweight file, so depending on your connection, it should only take a few seconds. Once the download wraps up, open the executable file to launch the setup wizard. Click Next to start. Read through and accept the license agreement. Then hit Next again. It will ask you to choose an installation path, but honestly, the default directory is perfectly fine for almost every development setup. Keep clicking Next. You can leave all the default custom setup features exactly as they are. Finally, hit Install. Give your system a moment to write the files and automatically update your environment variables. Once that progress bar fills up, just click Finish. All right, the installation is done, but we need to make sure your system actually recognizes it. Open up your command prompt. To check if Node is active on your system path, just type node-version and hit Enter. If you see a version number pop up on the next line, you nailed it. The installation was a success. Now for the fun part. Let's write our first line of code. Type node and press Enter. This drops you into the interactive REPL environment, which lets you run JavaScript right in the terminal. Let's do a classic test. Type console.log hello and hit Enter. You should see the word hello printed right back to you. And that's it. Your machine is now fully equipped to run JavaScript anywhere. Happy coding!